Hello guys, here welcome once more to MEPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and share the link of the channel to some students out there that needs to what improve on mathematics. So we have a problem on the board here. Okay, we'll read through the problem and identify what area it is in mathematics so that we can be able to solve the problem. So the problem says we have two functions f and g are defined by what? F is defined by the function of what? X, which is what? 3x minus 1. And g of x, okay, is what? 2x to the power of what? 3. So we are asked to evaluate, okay, this function where, g, the function of g of x is a composition of what? F. Okay, so this problem is a problem on polynomials such that we want to find the composition of what these two what functions. All right, so our first function here, okay, our first function is what? 3x minus 1. So the first function is equal to 3x minus 1, and the second function is what? We have it as equals to 2x raised to the power of 3. Okay, now the composition we are looking for is this. So this is the composition. Okay. This is the problem on composition of function. So we want to solve for f of what? G at point what? Minus 2. Okay. Now, but there is something we can do here first. Okay. We can find g of x at point minus 2. Okay, let's solve that. So that will give us g at point minus 2 is going to give us, we are going to replace this x with what? Minus 2. So whatever we have as x here, we are going to input minus 2 here. So we have 2 multiplied by minus 2 to the power of what? 3. Okay. Now if we solve this, let's see what that gives us. Minus 2 to the power of 3 will mean what? So we have minus 2 times what? Minus 2 times minus 2. So minus times minus is what? Plus, times minus again is minus. So we have this as 2 multiplied by minus. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is what? We have 8. Okay. So this is going to give us 2 times minus 8 is minus what? 16. So now that we have our g as a function of x at point minus 2 as minus 16, we are going to input it right here. Okay, so now we want to solve, okay, for the function, okay, of, since g at point minus 2 is minus 16, so we want to solve f at point what? Minus 16. Okay, so now how do we solve it? Okay, remember our f of x is what? 3x minus 1. All right, so all we are going to do is recalling this. We have f at minus 16 is going to be, so in this function we are going to replace, substitute the value of x now as what? Minus what? 16. So this is going to be 3 times x, which has become minus 16 here. So we have minus 16, okay, and minus what? 1. All right, so with this we can multiply this. So 3 times 6 is what? 18. We have 1 there. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 is 4, so we have 4. So 3 times minus 16 is minus 48 minus 1. Okay, so what would that give us? That's going to give us, now 48 is bigger, so we are going to pick the sign minus. Now since these signs are what? The same, we are going to add the numbers. So 48 plus what? 1. So 48 plus 1, so that will give us what? Minus 48 plus 1 is what? 49. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem on composition of what? Two functions in a polynomial. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel and go through the channel. There are lots and lots of exciting videos out there for you to solve and watch the videos. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment or two. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.